Hello, this is a Bitcoin technical analysis. I'm Itai Levitan at Investing Live, and I'm looking now at the weekly time frame of Bitcoin futures, currently up over 1%, but mainly more important, it was up already about 21% from the rebound, from the recent rebound. And that would be at just above 60,000. Currently, we're seeing it on the previous candle because on the weekly candles. And basically, what we have here a nice rally all the way from the end of 2020, and then we have a consolidation here. And I'd like to look at this consolidation. I put a volume profile here, and we can see that the value area low of that, or the lower end of that value, is approximately at about 60,000, 59,000. Okay, and buyers defended that just before. We also have the red line, which is the point of control, where during that range, the most of the volume was transacted. So the most agreement between buyers and sellers back at the time of what is the fair value. That's at about 63,500. And we have the value area high of that area, which currently the price is also above it because that is at about 69,250-ish or so. Let's say 300 even. Okay, so that gives us interesting guidance regarding how buyers are thinking about the price in terms of the fair values back at the time of this important consolidation phase. Okay, that is something to look at. Now, another thing we can put this is a pivot low. We can put an anchored VWAP, and we see that at about 66,500, we have this purple line. That's the VWAP, and it also price pierced it down, was protected by that value area low, perhaps, and currently above it. So that's another support to look at. That's 66,500. Different software and charting platforms will give you a bit of a different prices, but there should be similar to that. So that's good enough. You can also see this is the first upper standard deviation of that VWAP. Price went down, and then sellers again sold, but now we'll see if this is protected. It's looking not too bad for the bulls, and the order flow intel score gave it a +2, which means that the bulls are looking a little bit better than the bears. It is possible that we will see a bit of a trading range here, but it's looking not too bad for an early beginning of a rebound at your own discretion. This is an opinion for educational purposes, and you must do your own research. To return to investinglive.com, thank you.